Hello there, friends. It's Danny here from Danny's Dreams, and I'm so glad you stopped by today. It's the 2nd of February, so that means it's time for me to share the new SheetLoad of cards. If you're new to my channel or new to SheetLoad, it is a free printable that Call Me Crafty puts out each month if you are a subscriber to her channel. On it is the paper you need, how many cards it will create, the extra dimension, or like the dimensions in case you want to create just one card, other ways to use the sketch, and a cutting guide that will let you get the most out of your paper. February's SheetLoad is a special edition to use your 6x6 paper pads. I know we all have those sitting around our craft room needing to be used, so that's exciting. And I also want to point out before I forget that starting in 2022, the collaboration team for SheetLoad, all of our videos are a hashtag driven hop now on the 2nd. So in the description box below, also in my title, is the hashtag, and if you just click on it, it'll bring up everybody's videos, and I think it is such a neat feature. I'm so happy we went to it. So yeah, just click on that hashtag and it'll take you to everyone's video. In the description box below is also a link to Call Me Crafty Al's channel, so you can get the printable for yourself. Make sure you're a subscriber, and also ways that you can play along and share with us. So again, this was a special use your 6x6 paper edition. So for my cards today, I used this retired My Favorite Things Pure Innocence stamp set, and I did have the die called Sweet Summertime. Thought she was super cute. And then I have this super old pink paisley Hometown Summer paper pack that I used. And this month's SheetLoad made 6 cards. And here is what my cards all look like. They're all identical this month. Thanks, a melon. I just think that she is the cutest, and I really, really love how they turned out. I do like that on the SheetLoad, it has these strips. You could switch up the order that they went in, but I wanted that gingham piece in the middle to kind of break up those greens. So I kept all of mine the same. So again, I did them all the same. So there's my 6 cards, and again, I think she's adorable. Have to say, I have only colored watermelon a couple times, and I really like how I colored it this time. It was kind of fun to do that. So there's my cards. I hope that now you will go ahead and click on that hashtag, go see the other collaborators. I know that they will make fabulous creations. Also on Instagram, we have an Instagram team, and they always share wonderful creations as well. Again, everything's in the description box below. And until my next video, which I'm hoping will be soon, because when I set out to make this set of SheetLoad of cards, I had like 5 million ideas, and it took me forever to decide which one to do. So I'm hoping to create some more using this month's SheetLoad. Plus, I have some ideas for some fun with stencils videos. And yeah, so hopefully I will be back real soon to hopefully share and inspire you. Have the most wonderful day.